Hey everybody, welcome back to Thirsty on Thursday. Have you ever had to use 3 different manufacturer cabinet suppliers to fit 3 different jobs you have? Clients want floating vanities in the master, that's one manufacturer. They want cheap in the laundry, that's another one. Lastly, they want bookcases in the living room, a third manufacturer. Each job has a different need. So here at Cabinet Wholesalers, you can satisfy all 3 of your needs. We make it easy for you and we offer options for all the rooms in the whole house. Kitchen, baths, offices, mudroom, entertainment centers, and closets. We even have access to floating vanities and ADA handicap accessible cabinets. We are family owned and based in Jasper, Georgia, and have 3 satellite locations available for your use in Alpharetta, Roswell, and Gainesville. Let's take a look at what we have to offer you. We have Barwood Shaker 1 cabinets. They offer white paint shaker cabinets with a frameless construction. These are in stock, available at our warehouse. That's right, in stock, assembled cabinets. Shaker 1 has a waterproof leveling leg system. It's great for commercial projects or your home. Call today to get the list of what is available for you to pick up today assembled. JSI. This is our import line that is available assembled in 14 days or available in flat pack in 3. These are priced right for your low budget jobs. They are all plywood cabinet boxes, solid wood fronts, with dovetail soft close drawers. Wellborn. Wellborn is manufactured in Ashland, Alabama. They have the most extensive list of lines available. We will have a deep dive into all the offerings of Wellborn next week. But as a preview, they have everything available from an affordable entry line to you draw it line. They can meet many needs, from kitchen and closet cabinets to furniture cabinets to ADA handicap styles to complete your job. Craftmade. This is the #1 familiar name in cabinets. No pre-cut boxes, no doors that have been pre-painted, pre-stained, or pre-anything. They assemble your kitchen all at once. They also have a more cost-effective line named Quality and Woodstar. This line offers products to fit any style, project, or budget. Custom wood products. These are complete custom out of Kansas with a 6 to 8 week lead time, which is technically very fast for custom. You dream it, and they're gonna build it. Carolina Artisans. Out of Asheville, North Carolina, you get real barnwood cabinets, custom made to order. The barn is torn down, the wood is reclaimed, and then it's built into your cabinets. All custom made here in America. There also is support on the website with all this information. Contact me at 404-409-0283 to get all the information. So in closing, let us help you efficiently address your clients' needs by becoming your source for all your cabinets. We're going to see you next week. I look forward to hearing from you.